Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I've got the new GAN timer. And what I'm going to do, apparently it has a lot of settings just built into it. So I am going to open this up and check this out. And then after the main video is done, I'm just going to connect to the app and show how it works with the app. Because I don't think the app, the CubeStation app for phones, is actually necessary for all the storage and other stuff it can do. But I'm not quite sure. I try avoiding a lot of news and information on products, so when I get it, I just can get it for, what is this? What is that? What is this? What are those? Oh. Well, I don't have a puzzle to put these on, but GameCube 2023. Wow, that's fun. If I have an extra puzzle, I'll check around. I probably have an old GAN that I could throw this on too. Okay, here we go. So, this is the new GAN timer. It is a choking hazard, apparently. Very snazzy box. This reminds me of the box I originally had for like my Apple Watch, which don't have anymore. I now have this fun watch, which battery lasts like 9 days, so that's glorious. Okay, USB to USB-C cord. So is this rechargeable, or do you need it plugged in? This feels kind of heavy, so I'm guessing there's a battery in there, but let's check this. The look is nice, feels comfortable. There's nothing really rounded, but it's angled, so your hands are angled down instead of maybe flat or rounded like that. We have the touchpad. We've got holes for a mat. How does that go in there? Hex wrench built into it. Wow, GAN's hiding tools everywhere. Are you just supposed to put these through the mat and then screw it in? I'm not sure. I'm not gonna put any holes in my mat yet, but one of the first products I've ever seen in my entire life that is just, hey, we'll just put the hex wrench right in here. Did it go this way? Yeah, it did. That's cool. That's really cool. Oh, how to install the mat. Remove the mat holes. Put them through there. Cool. It does recharge. This is rechargeable. Finally, I feel like we've been needing that. Why do we have everything with AA and AAA batteries?
Lay both hands on the timer, touchpads, lift hands, press the logo to reset, double press the logo to view the latest result, double press again to switch between recent 5 result and after 5 result. Press the logo button until off appears on the screen, turn the timer on. There's not a lot of buttons here. There's one button. So there's a lot you can do with just one button.
Storing and uploading viewing results. The timer's memory can store up to 10,000 asterisks timing results when connected to the app. Okay, so you do need the app to store 10,000 plus results. So it's mainly the app does it, not so much the timer specifically, it seems, unless it's stored specifically to this, the data from this timer, and another timer would have a different set of data to it. Smart timing connecting state. Okay, so this is all with the app then. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do some solves with my new GAN 13FX. And I will do a couple here, and then I think after that, we'll just switch over to some video of me using the app and see how that goes. But as far as rechargeable Bluetooth timer, that's great. I'm going to also test this with what would normally work with a stack mat timer. So if you have a display, I'm going to see if this will work with that. And CS timer and other things. So we'll go through each of those, but let's just do a time. Ooh, it glows. Okay. So random hand scramble. Wow, that is bright. $12.18. Okay, is there a way to turn off that blinking light? Customize signal rim effects, only for smart timer. Connect to the app. Okay, so you have to do it all in the app. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't show up on timers that are used for speed stacks. 3 scores have been found on your timer. Do you want to import them to your account? Okay, that's cool. So if you just do times on here and then bring them in, it'll remember them. It'll be 5 or will it be the 10,000? I'm not sure. There's a lot to do in the app and it's moved around. So for time's sake, I am just going to stick with this. Okay. Karate chopped again. Okay, let's go back and adjust some settings. So it says in here you can adjust it. So let's go to device, settings, light setting. You can adjust whatever colors you want, which is cool. Let's do something very different. Let's just make it yellow. And what does flicker mean? Let's do purple, confirm. So I love the fact that you can adjust the lights on it. You can make it however you want. It will save some times. And it's very sleek and slim. A good timer. I have nothing really else to say for it. Rechargeable is also fantastic. I'm tired of using AAA batteries for everything. So go and get it. It's available now. I'll put a link in the description where you can pick it up. Please use discount code SCR at checkout. That saves you money and helps support the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by speakpreview.com for more news and reviews.